Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. So we're going to get right into these nails. I'm going to show you how I did these Gel X pink marble Valentine's Day nails. I make it look simple and easy because it is simple and easy, but you will need practice to get everything right. But I'm just going to show you how I did this design. It is beginnerish friendly, but like everything else, practice makes perfect. So if you want to see how I did these Gel X Valentine's Day nails, please stay tuned. So typically you would prep your nails, which I didn't because I'm gonna pop these right off. I am going to use a peel off base, but typically you're going to want to file the inside of your nails so it will adhere to your nails better and it will give you a longer lasting Gel X manicure. So I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky builder gel, and then I'm going to place some of that builder gel in the inside of the gel tip. Now this is the part that takes practice. You're going to have to learn how much gel you need for your nail. I make it look easy, but I've been doing this for a while now. And as you see, I slide it on my nail just like that. I don't have any spillage, and I'm going to flash cure it in my LED lamp. And I'm going to do this for each nail. So now you're going to see that there's no air bubbles. Everything looks perfect. I am going to go on my e-file and I'm going to clean up my cuticle area, even though I did not have any spillage. And again, this comes with practice, not to have any spillage. So if you do, don't feel bad, just file it off. But I still like to go on with my e-file and go ahead and go around my cuticle area just to seal it a little better and to just thin out the cuticle area, make it look like a more natural nail. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to buff each nail. When you buff the nail and you take the shininess away, it allows the gel polish to adhere to your nail better. You'll get a better manicure and you won't have any of your polish peeling up. Things like that. It's just better for your manicure. Now I'm going to take my hand file and just file off that tab that's on the bottom of the gel tip. All of them have that. And I really don't have to file the nails at all because the shape is perfect. We're going to get started on the nail design. You'll see me come in with this nude polish. I got this nude polish from Amazon. I don't know the actual number. I know the color was a number. I'll try to find it, but I've had this gel polish for a while now and I love it because it's sheer and you can build it up to the opacity that you like. I did apply 3 coats. Always remember to wipe any gel polish off your skin before you cure. I usually typically go and clean up around my cuticle because you don't want to develop an allergy. So now this is how I do my marble. I'll take the colors that I like and I line them up like this, and then I take some type of tool. Today I'm using my wood stick and just marble it. Now I'm adding my Mia Secret blooming gel, making sure not to cure it. You want this to still be wet, and then I go and scoop up that pattern and I float it on just like this. I put it where I want, and as time go on, you will see it start to bloom out by itself and spread. But you have to be careful with this because you can lose your nail shape. So you want to go in with a lint-free swab and clean up those sides, like literally take the extra gel polish off the sides so your nail shape won't be bulky, because you cannot file the nail polish. It'll mess up your design, so you have to get it right the first time. So each time you do the marbling, you just want to go on with your lint-free swab and wipe up the sides, the extra gel off the sides. And I did cure this. Even though I didn't show it, I did cure it. The color in my middle finger I end up not liking, so I did change that out eventually and did the marble look on that middle finger as well. So now I'm adding the glitter. You can add as much of this glitter as you want or as little. I am going in with the base gel and using that as an adhesive so my glitter can stick to the nail. And there you go. And you see here, I went ahead and took that polish off because it just didn't, the color just didn't match for me. And I'm going in and marbling and cleaning it up just like I did the thumbnail and my ring nail. And this is the finished product, almost finished product. I felt like I needed a little bit more marble, so I went in and did like a second layer. Typically I wouldn't do this, but I felt like I needed a little bit marble. I went ahead and added these pink rhinestones. Now this is a pro tip, you guys. I'm going in with the shiny coat because I thought I wanted the nails with the glitter on it to be shiny, but I also went in with the shiny coat on top of the marble, even though I wanted those matte. But sometimes when you put matte on top of certain designs, it can make it look like the color is bleeding. So if you go on with shiny top coat first, it locks that particular art in, and then you go on top with the matte top coat and you won't get that bleeding. But eventually I decided that I want all the nails matte, so I went ahead and matted the rest of the nails. I'm going in with my cuticle oil, and this is the finished product.